welcome to another video of Dad's Handyman Bros. And today we'll be fixing a hair shampoo bowl. Because if you haven't noticed our cool hair, our mom is a hairstylist, and she is having a problem with the leak with the hair shampoo bowl. Every time my mom tries to turn on her hair shampoo bowl, and she turns it. Ow! What? Whoops! After that blooper, sorry about that. Every time my mom tries to turn on her hair shampoo bowl, and she turns it on, it would start leaking from the vacuum breaker right here.
This is the part that we're going to change. We got it today on Amazon, and we will be showing you how to change it.
First, you make sure to turn off your water from the shampoo bowl and put a container almost like this one to prevent the leak to spread all over your floor and make a mess. Then grab a wrench. Under the vacuum breaker, you would see these two hoses connected to the vacuum breaker. Then you have to grab the wrench and unscrew both of them. Turns out that one of the hoses connected to the vacuum breaker is really stuck in there since it's been here for a very long time. So what we have to do is unscrew the screw that's connected to the vacuum breaker, which is right there, to fix it. After we unscrew the vacuum breaker, then it would be easier for us to work on it. We finally took the vacuum breaker out, and we did that by unscrewing the part that connects it to the shampoo bowl. And depending on how new your shampoo bowl is, you would probably have to do it by hand if it's newer, or with a screwdriver if it's older, like ours. Since we took out the vacuum breaker, and applied a little bit of W40, it should be easier to take out the hose with the wrench clamp and a regular wrench. You would put the wrench clamp attached to one side and unscrew the other one with the other. Since we put the W40 right there, now it should be easier to take it out. So, now that we have taken this part out, with both of your tools, with one of them, hold it on one side, on the other, unscrew both of the water pipes. Now that you have loosened the water pipes from the case of the vacuum breaker, you now grab both of your wrenches, the wrench and the clamp wrench. You grab one of the wrench and you put it right there. You hold it right there on the vacuum breaker. And with the other one, clamp it real good on one of the pipes and twist it to loosen it up. And now, you do the same to the other one. So now it's time to install the new vacuum breaker into the case, and you do that by putting this part into the hole of the case and installing the nuts. And you have to do that until you feel like it's tight enough.
So once you tie the vacuum breaker very strong to the case, you are good to go.
The vacuum breaker has two levers, one that goes up and one that goes down. The one that goes up is for the direct water, and the one that goes down is for the shampoo bowl water hose. Now that you have finished putting the vacuum breaker together, you can now put the rubber gasket where it goes and the vacuum breaker on top of it. Now you attach the bottom bolt that attaches the vacuum breaker to the sink.
Go.
Now that you have attached the vacuum breaker to the sink and it's all steady, you can now proceed the part to put the hoses connected to the vacuum breaker. So don't forget to put the main water spray to the arrow that's pointing up, and the one that's going down, you put this water spray.
So now that we're all done, I'm gonna get a nice shampoo by my mom.
So girls, make sure to check my mom's Instagram, link in the description, for any of your weddings or special occasions. Okay everyone, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more adventures and tutorials.